Hi everyone, and welcome to this Fan Art Friday video. In this video, I'm drawing Sasaki Haise from Ghoul. It's been a long time since I've worked on any anime drawings, and I've really missed working on Ghoul fan art. It's been something that I've been a fan of for a few years now, and I thought this would be a really fun drawing to work on. For the inking, I used a Pigma Micron 01, 02, and a 05, depending on the thickness of the lines. And I tried to give a bit more of a scratchy style to some areas, trying to emulate the style of the Ghoul manga. It was really fun, and I tried to approach it in a much more relaxed way, and I even tried to add a bit of cross-hatching. For the colouring, I used Copic markers, and for the skin tones, I started off with pinkish white and pale heath, and then I just continued building up layers, trying to kind of focus on where I was going to place the shading. And then for the shading, I used pale grape and light grape. To add any of the highlighting across this drawing, I used a mixture of a white Prismacolor pencil, a white GellyRoll pen, and a Uni-Ball white ink pen. And I love adding highlights to drawings like this. These days, I try to keep them a bit more focused, so adding bright highlights to the eyes, and other areas that I want to bring more attention to. For the eye on the left, I used Cool Grey 1, 3 and 5, and for the Ghoul eye, I added much darker shading with a black marker, and Cool Grey 7. Then I used a crimson marker to add some bright red colouring within, and then I used a crimson Prismacolor pencil to add some veins underneath. Moving on from that, I used the full range of cool grey markers, 1, 3, 5 and 7, for his hair and his clothing, and it was so fun to layer the shading, blending between the markers to smooth the gradient. Towards the end of the drawing, I used the same skin colouring markers for his hand, and then I added a bright crimson background to match his eye and help it stand out. Then after that, I cleaned up some of the outlines of his hair, and for the final touch, I added a bright highlight glowing outwards from his eye, and added crimson colouring on top of it. And after that, this drawing was completed, and it was so much fun, and I can't believe it's been so long since I've worked on any anime drawings. I really missed it, and I hope you enjoyed watching this. Be sure to let me know what you think of this in the comments below. And also, let me know if you have any suggestions for future videos. Maybe if you want to see more anime characters. I'd love to know if you're interested in that. If you want to see more stuff like this, then feel free to subscribe. And any likes or shares on this video, they really mean a lot to me. If you want to follow my progress and see photos before I post these videos, then please check out the links in the description box below to check out my Twitter, Facebook and Instagram. And once again, thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for the support. I really appreciate it. And I hope you have an amazing day, and I'll see you all soon.